Hi, I'm Fiona Forbes for Investment Pitch Media. Thank you for joining us today. Sitka Gold has announced a maiden mineral resource estimate for its Blackjack and Eiger gold deposits in its RC Gold project. The RC Gold project, a contiguous district-scale land package, consists of 376 square kilometers, or 92,900 acres, located in the newly road-accessible Clear Creek, Big Creek, and Sprague Creek districts in the heart of Yukon's highly prospective Tombstone Gold Belt. It is strategically positioned midway between Victoria Gold's Eagle Gold Mine, which is Yukon's newest gold mine, having reached commercial production in the summer of 2020, and Sabre Gold Mine's Brewery Creek Gold Mine. It has a common border with Victoria Gold's Clear Creek property to the west and Florin Resources Florin Gold property to the north. The initial mineral resource estimate comprises a total inferred mineral resource of 1,340,000 ounces of gold beginning at surface. The Blackjack zone, discovered in late 2021, contains a higher grade resource of 900,000 ounces of gold at a grade of 0.83 grams per ton gold at a cutoff grade of 0.25 grams per ton gold. Mike Burke, Director and VP Corporate Development, has joined us today to discuss today's news. Welcome, Mike.
Well, thanks, Fiona. Glad to be here. Yeah, Sitka, we're pretty excited to announce today that we've put out our initial resource, our maiden resource at the RC Gold project. 1.34 million ounces in our Blackjack and Eiger zones. Our readers or our investors know the Blackjack zone was just discovered late in 2021. The Eiger zone, we did a bunch of drilling on that in 2021 as well. So this is a very new discovery. And to come out with a 1.34 million ounce resource is pretty exciting. The combined resource of the two deposits is 66 million tons at a grade of 0.68 grams per ton. The Blackjack zone, that's the discovery that we've been working on most intently in the last year. That's 900,000 ounces at a grade of 0.83, so a little higher grade in there. And so we're very excited. These are well-known styles of deposits, intrusion-hosted deposits in the Tombstone Gold Belt in the Yukon. Both those deposits are open for expansion. They're both located within this extensional corridor. It's a structural corridor that links these two intrusions. They're genetically related. And also within that corridor, there's potential for expanding the resource. The saddle zone is midway between these two intrusions, and we've intersected gold there in a couple drill holes in the metasedimentary rocks that assay, 80 meters of 0.6 grams per ton or 0.5 in that range, 0.6, 0.63 in one and 0.6 in the other. So there's a lot of room for expanding this resource, but we're excited to get this initial resource out. And of course, being in the Tombstone Gold Belt, I'm sure people have been following along other companies, but just, since July 2020 was when Victoria Gold went into commercial production at the Eagle Gold Mine. This is a Tombstone intrusion-hosted deposit, just like we're looking at. That started with a little over a 3 million ounce reserve. Then Banyan Gold announced their discovery of the Ormac deposit, 900,000 ounce gold resource there in May of 2020. They bumped that up to 4 million ounces just in this last year. Victoria Gold just announced in last September the discovery of the Raven deposit that's over 1 million ounces. So this Tombstone Gold Belt in the Yukon, Victoria Gold and Banyan are only 70 kilometers and 60 kilometers to our east, is really starting to crank out a lot of gold ounces. And we're happy to be part of that very successful exploration group, Victoria Gold, Banyan, and us. Snowline Gold, they're further to the east, but they're making the discovery in the same Tombstone-aged intrusive rocks. So this is a belt of rocks that I hope people are paying a lot more attention to. And it's very exciting to be one of the anchor groups in there with a nice resource, and we really look forward to expanding that in the next few years as we continue to work there.
Now, Mike, I understand that this is only one area of the project.
Yeah, our RC Gold project is it's a large project, 376 square kilometers. We focused on this Blackjack and Eiger zone corridor, but we have 9 intrusions on this property that are underexplored. So there's a lot of potential that remains on the rest of our property.
And thank you so much, Mike. The Blackjack and Eiger zones are typified by intrusion-hosted mineralization within a large 500-meter by 2,000-meter extensional corridor. The Blackjack and Eiger zones remain open in all directions and have excellent potential for resource expansion. The Saddle Zone, located midway between the Blackjack and Eiger, is characterized by metasedimentary rocks intruded by dikes and sills. This zone remains relatively untested but contains significant mineralization with the potential to add additional resources as demonstrated by drill hole 2001, which returned 0.52 grams per ton gold over 84.8 meters from surface, and hole 2119, which intersected 80 meters grading 0.59 grams per ton gold from 48 meters depth. The production of an initial resource of more than 1.3 million ounces of gold based on analytical data from just 34 drill holes representing 11,630 meters of drilling marks a major milestone for the company. Drill programs at RC Gold in 2020, 2021, and 2022 returned several significant gold intercepts, including the discovery hole in the Blackjack zone in the last drill hole from the 2021 drill program. Hole 21021 intersected 220.1 meters of 1.17 grams per ton gold from surface that included 50.5 meters of 2.08 grams per ton gold. Drilling in 2021 in the Eiger zone in the easternmost area of the golden soil anomaly produced numerous significant intersections as demonstrated by hole 2109, which intersected 354 meters of 0.41 grams per ton gold, including 72 meters of 0.72 grams per ton gold. This table shows the previously released Blackjack zone drill results from 2020 to 2022. And this table shows the previously released Saddle and Eiger zone drill results from 2020 to 2022. The company is planning a 2-part winter and summer drilling program totaling 10,000 meters of diamond drilling at RC Gold for 2023, focused primarily in the Blackjack, Saddle, and Eiger zone areas. Shifting to Nevada, Sitka Gold holds a 100% interest in the 4,780-acre Alpha Gold project located along the southeast projection of the prolific Cortez Gold Trend in Eureka County, approximately 135 kilometers southwest of Elko. Results from the final 2 drill holes where a new Carlin-type gold system was recently discovered are expected shortly. The company is well funded with the shares trading at 14.5 cents. For more information about this project and the company's other projects in the Yukon, Arizona, Nunavut, and Nevada, please visit the company's website at SITKGoldCorp.com. Contact Donald Penner, President, at 778-212-1950 or by email at dpenner@SitkaGoldCorp.com or Corco, CEO, at 604-817-4753 or email at cco@SitkaGoldCorp.com. I'm Fiona Forbes for Investment Pitch Media.